Hello guys, welcome back. It's Lego City Fan 1994, and today we're going to be building set number 60486, the EV Supercar. Yeah, this is a very small set. This set only contains 109 pieces, one minifigure, and retails for $10. But anyways, let's get started. Wow. He took all of his money and then come on. All of He's just very pop. Oh god. That's it.
fill up, you want $1,000. I mean, I could have used $1,000 at Costco. Filling up my car and get some groceries for the week. I could use that today, but we've got them starting at 6 a.m. Monday morning, all the way through 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. All right. All you got to do is listen for that nationwide keyword. Really simple. Once you hear that keyword on the top of the hours, enter that at 1043myfm.com for a chance to win. All right. So it kicks off Monday morning again with Valentine in the morning at 6 a.m. Listen to us right here on my 1043
My FM. Did you know about 1 in 3 people with plaque psoriasis may also develop psoriatic arthritis, which causes joint pain, stiffness, and swelling? Does this sound like you? Listen to what it sounds like to be a million miles away. Tremfya guselkumab, taken by injection, is a prescription medicine for adults with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis who may benefit from taking injections or pills or phototherapy, and for adults with active psoriatic arthritis. Serious allergic reactions and increased risk of infections and liver problems may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check you for infections and tuberculosis. Tell your doctor if you have an infection, flu-like symptoms, or if you need a vaccine. Imagine being a million miles away. Explore what's possible. Ask your doctor about Tremfya. Visit tremfya.com or call 1-800-526-7736.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. Forget everything you know about hair colors. The mess, the smell, the hassle, the damage. We're female-founded and female-led. We've transformed the hair color experience with ingredients that care for your hair and award-winning color on your terms, at home or at our hair color bars. The future of hair color is here at Madison Reed.
Lose the weight, feel incredible. Just call 1-800-WEST-MEDICAL.
What if your soda actually did something for you? Introducing Sky Pop Protein Soda. Sky Pop Protein Soda has 10 grams of complete protein, 0 sugar, and real delicious soda taste. Sky Pop Protein Soda. Reach for the skies. Get your Sky Pop Protein Soda now at Target.
Spring is here, which means now is the time to save during spring outdoor power deals at the Home Depot. Power through cleanup with the Ryobi 18-volt 1+ trimmer and blower combo kit, designed to deliver more runtime, more speed, and maximum performance. Then level up your yard work and expand your Ryobi lineup with the expanded edger or pruning saw, included at no extra cost when you buy the Ryobi combo kit. Shop spring outdoor power deals for 7 days at the Home Depot, now through April 29th.
Call Lear Capital for your free gold investment kit, 800-225-8100.
Right. We're now down to the set. Now it's time to review the whole set. Okay, so first off the set, you get a little red and black EV Supercar. But first, we'll start with the minifigure here. This minifigure is kind of like a smart old minifigure with glasses, with black hair. Has two expressions here. As you can see, he is wearing dark orange jacket with a dark red undershirt and light gray pants. And also for an accessories, he also has this cell phone right here, which he uses to talk and text. And now moving on to the actual set itself, which is the EV Supercar. This supercar is really speedy, very bad looking, aerodynamic, and as you can see here, how the car is shaped. Nice little details on the sides, with an opening cockpit, which is removable, allowing you access inside the cabin of the vehicle. The cockpit, I mean. Little steering wheel right there. Enough room to fit the minifigure inside the vehicle. Okay. And see, this fits nice. And at the back, you get this hood right here, which you can flip over, which reveals a battery inside. Yeah, this means, as the name implies, there's a little battery in the back compartment right here that is used to power the vehicle. And then this closes up. Ooh, nice. And I see here you get nice looking detailed tail lights, long line. And I really like the sports car a lot. It's really awesome, highly detailed. You got the red wheels in the back and the gray wheels in the front. Nicely made. Okay, guys. Well, there's not much to say since this is just a little set. So that's all you get. 60486 the EV Supercar, 109 pieces, $10. Not bad. But I guess that's all for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next one. Bye.